I don't want to ruin this one. This type of love ain't always come and go. I don't want to ruin this one. This time this judge is a sovereign citizen, ho. I don't want to ruin this love. This time public defenders come and go. What up, everybody? Here's a video from A&E Court Cam. You're gonna get a good feel for what how judges act, and how arrogant they are, and how they think they're the kings of this country, which they pretty much are. Because once you're in their courtroom, you're a piece of dead meat. And watch all these good cops not do anything about this.
Now to the Moore Justice Center in Brevard County, Florida.
2 charges, assault and resisting. You have the public.
The thing is, the judge, the court has a really busy schedule, extortion schedule, and they want to extort as many people as possible. So they're trying to get this guy to waive his right to a speedy trial under the 6th Amendment of the Bill of Rights Constitution. And this public defender is not willing to waive it, in the hopes that the court gets too caught up and can't get the trial on time, so dismiss his case. He's trying to protect his client. Well, the judge doesn't like that, and you're not going to believe what he does.
Public defender Andrew Weinstock and his client are appearing before Judge John Murphy, whose voice you hear.
Public defender, what do you want to do?
But they filed?
They have.
I'm not waiving.
All right, what do you want to do?
What do you want to do? I'm not waiving. You want to set it for trial? Set it for trial.
Judge Murphy wants the defendant to waive his right to a speedy trial because the court's schedule.
Why would the judge want someone to waive their rights? Because that's all they want. They can't stand the Bill of Rights. If it was up to them, they would just have these people dragged in, thrown in a cell, they hit the hammer every 3 minutes and make billions of dollars and retire happy and fat while the rest of us suffer. Judges are sick in the head, as you're about to witness.
Schedule's backed up. Weinstock isn't budging, and tensions are mounting.
If I had a rock, I would throw it at you right now.
If I had a rock, I would throw it at you right now. That's a threat of violence, even though he's being somewhat, whatever you want to call it, joking. But nonetheless, that's a threat of violence. And that type of language from any man to man in a public setting, much less a judge who swore to protect the rights of this guy.
Stop pissing me off. Just sit down. I'll take care of it. I don't need your help.
No, you know what? I'm the public defender. I have a right to be here, and I have a right to stand and represent my clients.
If you want to fight, let's go out back, and I'll just beat your ass.
They both head to the hallway behind the courtroom, just out of the view of the court's cameras. Believe it or not, they get into a physical altercation until Judge Murphy returns to the courtroom alone.
How you like that, people? You're pissing me off. If you want to fight, let's just go out back. They walk to some back hallway. The judge, you want to F with me? And literally they get in a fist fight. And I'm sure the judge had his guys, his goons, arrest or take away the public defender. Meanwhile, where's all these cops that are supposed to protect? This judge should have been arrested on the spot. Instead, he comes back in and tries to slightly intimidate this guy to surrender his 6th Amendment right, as you're about to see here.
Thank you.
And there's your moron sheep Americans clapping at a sovereign citizen judge, I guess thinking that he took care of that public defender. The defender is the one defending you guys, morons. The judge is the one that wants to put you in a cage. You morons. You're on the wrong side of history.
I will catch my breath eventually. Man, I'm an old man.
Once Judge Murphy
Old tyrant.
catches his breath, he continues with the rest of the hearings without Weinstock present.
Your choices, considering there's probably going to be a changeover in personnel, are setting it for trial June 9th, or if you were wanting to waive speedy, we would would set it for July 15th.
I would like to get it done as fast as possible.
That doesn't help me.
How doesn't that help you? As fast as possible. You know exactly what that means. You just don't like what it means.
The incident's investigated by the Florida Judicial Qualifications Commission, who charged Judge John Murphy with threatening to commit violence against an assistant public defender, engaging in a physical altercation.
Threatening and actually committing violence.
Counsel and resuming his docket while defendants were without counsel. The case eventually reaches the Florida Supreme Court, which orders the immediate suspension and permanent removal of Judge Murphy from his post.
So there you go. Immediate suspension and removal. Well, how about an arrest? How about that? They never get arrested. They just, worst case scenario, quit their job and work for another police department, or quit their job as a judge, and they got that huge padding of money from years and years of extortion. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. Peace, chicken grease. Check out my Etsy store. Get your rings for Christmas. I'd say within the next 5 days, if you order, I can get them to you for Christmas. At least I'll do my best. I'll make them the same day and set them out. So thanks for watching. Love you. Bye-bye.